What's up guys? Xiaomi is introducing a new edition of air conditioner, the Megia Giant Power Saving 3 horsepower 2024 wall mounted model. Friends, before go to review, subscribe my channel and click bell icon for more latest videos. Thanks. The Xiaomi Megia Giant Power Saving Air Conditioner 3 horsepower 2024 wall mounted model is now available at the price of $592 US. This air conditioner is ideal for medium to large spaces. You can operate Megia app that allows for remote control and iOS and Android phone operation, letting you adjust settings and monitor the air conditioner's status from anywhere. It boasts a 3 horsepower capacity, making it suitable for large bedrooms, open floor plans, and even small living rooms. Compared to traditional floor standing units of similar power, the wall mounted design saves valuable floor space, offering more flexibility for home decor. The Xiaomi Megia air conditioner priority is energy efficiency, while boosting features for rapid cooling, powerful heating, and smart home integration. The air conditioner is also equipped with a reliable inverter drive control technology, allowing it to function effectively in a wide range of temperatures from -35 centigrade to 60 centigrade. The air conditioner boasts a sleek design that complements modern homes with a matte white finish and a circular LED display screen. It boosts a 40-second rapid cooling and 80-second rapid heating, ensuring your desired temperature is reached quickly. This is achieved through a combination of technology, including coupled optimization control and an effect low noise air duct system. The air conditioner also features a self-developed air duct system for noise-sensitive users that ensures quieter operation with noise levels ranging from 30 to 40 dBA. The unit features a smart light sensing function that automatically adjusts display brightness for a more peaceful night's sleep. The air conditioner also prioritizes user health. It incorporates self-cleaning technology for both the indoor and outdoor units. The indoor unit utilizes a high temperature drying technology to eliminate attached bacteria, while the outdoor unit rinses condensed water to remove dust from the heat exchanger, improving efficiency and maintaining optimal operation. The Megia air conditioner boasts on an impressive APF, annual performance factor of 4.45. This translates to an estimated saving of 578 kWh of electricity per year compared to new Grade 3 models. This air conditioner seamlessly integrates the Xiaomi smart home ecosystem. It supports Xiao AI voice control, allowing you to control not just the air conditioner, but also lighting, robotic vacuum cleaners, and other compatible smart devices through voice commands. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.